All right, I think it's setting up the meeting. I think we're almost there. I don't know for sure. You never know until it shows up. Okay, I think we're live on Facebook. Hello, everyone. I'm Katrina Sawa with jumpstartyourbiznow.com and jumpstartpublishing.net. And I also happen to be the host of the Business Reimagined conference that happens at the end of January. We did it last year, and I'm super excited about this year's lineup of speakers. And I wanted to introduce you to one of them, Miss Andi Hess. She's coming in from Arizona. And she's a hypnotherapist. Well, I'll let her introduce her because she probably says it way more impressive than I do. But I'm excited to have you be one of the speakers at the BRC this year. Andi, tell us about yourself.
Yeah, absolutely. I can't wait. This will be the first time I make it up to Northern California. So I'm really looking forward to meeting some new people. So I'm a hypnotherapist and rapid results coach. I help women in their second act, generally after, divorce or the kids have moved out and we're empty nesting or big career change. I really help them figure out what it is they deeply, deeply desire, like what they actually want, not what somebody told them to want, and how to get there. So love what I do. It's fantastic.
Awesome. And so I know you're speaking. Tell us what you're speaking about at the conference.
Yes, I can't wait to share this. So basically, my talk is my 3 simple steps to rapid results in any area of your life. No matter what it is that you want, there are only 3 steps to success. And so I am going to show you how to get from where you are to where you want to be with just 3 steps.
Hmm. Doesn't, I wish that could be that easy in business.
So
Uh,
actually, that's my main message. Somebody asked me the other day, if you had to summarize everything you say in just like, 1 sentence, mine is it doesn't have to be as hard as you think, and it doesn't have to take as long as you think. If
yeah.
you use the power of your subconscious mind, you can make it super easy.
I totally believe that. I know lots of people that have used hypnosis to cure things and get rid of bad habits and feel better. And I'm super excited that you're going to be there because you're the only speaker who's getting into this kind of stuff. So it's going to be really fun to have you there. And I know I get to see you in 2 days in Arizona too, because I'm going to a conference with you and Felicia and Colleen and Kelly. And a bunch of our speakers are going to be at that conference, which is cool. And then we're going to see each other again at the end of January. So you guys need to get your ticket. The rates are going up right now. They're an early bird, and it's a super heck of a deal for the 2 days is a conference, 2 whole days with lunches, with everything, vendors, swag bag, you get a workbook. I mean, we're going to be working on your stuff to start, grow, and scale your business. And then there's a third day add-on mastermind. If you're interested, I think Andi's going to be at that third day too. So you might even get some deep dive with her there. So you have a choice. You can add the third day on later if you want to. Just get your ticket now before the rates go up. I love to help people save money. But before we go, tell everybody that might not know you, like what are some like the top 3 things people come to you for? What are those things that people are like, okay, help me with this? What are those
Yeah.
kinds of things so they can have an idea?
I think this is really funny because I think sometimes what we think the problem is isn't actually the problem, right? So um, most people who come to me know that they're not getting the results that they want. They're, especially because I work with women entrepreneurs, particularly. What I hear a lot is, oh my gosh, I know exactly what I want to do. I have all these plans, I have these lists, and I just can't make myself do them. I can't make myself get on and go live. I can't make myself write the emails. I can't make myself get up and go to the events. And I don't know why I can't get this motivation going. And it really is like, if that's the case for you, you're missing one of these 3 things, I promise. And what I will do is I will show you the 3 things and how to use them so that you can. I did this with a group, my group coaching program the other night. She came on and this is where's a problem. I'm like, okay, here you're going to do this. What is it that you actually want? And I guided her into, 5 minutes, just a 5-minute exercise. And she came out and she's like, oh my God, I'm ready to get on and record the video. Like that's what I needed. It was so unclear. And I think most of us know that we're holding ourselves back. Like
Yeah.
it's not the it's often not the strategies and the tactics and the outside stuff that really holds us back. It's the fear and the anxiety and the, you know, the worries and just the lack of um momentum, you know, being judged and what are other people going to think and oh my gosh, what if I fail and all that stuff. And I think we know that, but I don't think we realize to what extent it's actually holding us back. And I
Yeah.
don't think we know how to get past it.
Sometimes clarity too, right? On what they're doing. I find that a lot of times people don't do the marketing activities that I suggest because they're not clear on their offer or their, what their offer entails or the pricing or something like that. If you're not clear on the offer, then yeah, you're not going to go out and try to get the people coming in, the leads, and
Yep.
you're certainly not going to hold effective sales conversations. So,
Yep.
so
I was
it's
talking to Ann Bennett last night and she was like, what do you do? And that's the word she came up with. It's clarity. That
yeah,
makes a big difference for us.
good. I love it. And Anne's one of our panelists on our marketing panel. So I'm excited. It's a lot of my good friends here that are coming to this event, you guys. I only bring in people who are willing to go deep with you and really help you and give you the strategies, the keys, not just the what and the why and oh, you got to buy the how. That's not this conference. This conference is where you can also be seen and heard, where you can get ideas to really grow, where you can probably get clients if you know what you're doing and come and really network effectively. So go to businessreimaginedconference.com or use Andi's link if she puts it in the thing below and get your ticket today. And we're going to see you at the end of January in Northern California. Don't worry, we don't snow where we are. It might rain, but it's usually very reasonable weather. And so if you're coming from snow, you're going to have a relief. If you're coming from Arizona, you might get cold. But
I can't wait. Like I said, it's my birthday. I'm gonna so come join me for my
that's
birthday.
right.
And I can't wait to be slightly more cold than I am here.
Yes, I checked the weather for to this week, and I guess I'm wearing a short sleeve dress at the conference. So instead of my boots and my sweaters, that we were just in Tahoe and it was like 30 degrees. So it's like, brr.
Yeah, you
When
can't
you're
wear
from
layers here. You'll just
30 to 80 degrees to only change in 4 days. So, all right, Andi, thank you again for being one of my speakers. And we will see you soon. Get your ticket, everybody. And look at all these amazing speakers and all these videos that I've been doing. There's more to come. Keep watching, and we'll see you there. Not done.